In this video, we'll compare the essential tools that we can use for logging and continuous monitoring to implement feedback loops in DevOps processes. Most organizations today implement continuous delivery models to deliver and release high-quality software and features frequently to achieve higher levels of customer or end-user satisfaction and retention. The capability to monitor and manage systems and applications, detect problems early, and resolving those problems is quite important. Continuous monitoring is a process in which key business processes and controls are assessed. This permits ongoing insight into the effectiveness of controls and integrity of the applications running. This can also be considered as a process and technology used to detect compliance and risk issues associated with the organization's financial and operational environment. Monitoring in DevOps can involve two different aspects. The first one is application performance monitoring, which can help provide code-level visibility to enable quick identification of performance issues as well as rapid remediation. The second one is server monitoring, which operates at the infrastructure level and allows tracking server health in cloud, physical, and hybrid environments. And as we can observe from the sample illustration figure, continuous monitoring is involved in all the phases of DevOps, be it steering or planning, developing and testing, deploying, and operating post-deployment. So what are the tools that we can use to implement continuous monitoring? There are various tools available in the market today that we can use to implement continuous monitoring, of which the prominent ones include SolarWinds, Nagios, and Tenable. We'll explore the features and capabilities of those tools, along with their comparison in the preceding slides. Now, SolarWinds is a powerful IT manage and monitoring software that provides a suite of simple solutions or applications for management and monitoring. We also get certain functionalities that are completely unique from the other tools. For example, the Network Performance Monitor, or NPM, provided by SolarWinds can help detect, diagnose, and resolve issues quickly. And it supports or provides the capability to correlate network data across the entire stack, so we can streamline troubleshooting. Network Performance Monitoring, or NPM, is an affordable and easy-to-use tool that enables us to track and monitor network performance using the real-time views and dashboard that it provides. We also get customizable topology and dependency-based intelligent alerts that can help us recognize or identify critical issues that need to be escalated and resolved. The second tool whose feature we'll explore is Nagios, which is essentially an open-source application for monitoring systems and networks. We can use Nagios to monitor networks, devices, and servers. For example, we can monitor various network services like SMTP, POP3, HTTP, NNTP, and so on. And it also enables us to monitor host resources like the processor load and disk usage. Nagios can extend the functionalities of basic engines by adding additional user interface options. We get a simple plug-in design that can help enable us to develop and customize service checks, which is basically a type of event that can be scheduled in the Nagios event queue. And the result of such service check execution is used to monitor systems or networks. Nagios also provides additional features like automatic reporting, support, and parallel service checks. We can schedule multiple service checks in the Nagios event queue to be executed at particular times. And whenever a service check has been executed, Nagios will immediately start the process of executing the next service check in the queue. The final tool whose features we will explore is Tenable, a cloud-based vulnerability management platform, which functions more like an umbrella-type application that we can use to monitor IT various assets like cloud, containers, and applications. Tenable provides the capability to provision network-level scanning, along with the capability to track dynamic IT assets like virtual machines and cloud instances. We can use Tenable to identify, investigate, and prioritize vulnerabilities with an efficient usage of vulnerability data, threat intelligence, and data science. Tenable also supports reporting for compliance and automated workflows through the use of various pre-built integrations, APIs, and SDK resources that it provides. Now let's compare SolarWinds and Nagios from the usage perspective. When working with SolarWinds, we get wizards that help simplify the installation process. We don't need any professional expertise to install SolarWinds, and it can take about 2 hours to completely install and configure SolarWinds. Nagios, on the other hand, involves complex installation and configuration. We need working knowledge of Linux operating systems in order to install and work with Nagios. Additionally, we will also need professional expertise and support to install Nagios successfully and work with Nagios to monitor applications.